Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to the mathscenter.com. Here on our website, we have a whole array of maths courses, physics courses, accounting courses for IGCSE, A-levels, IB, and Excel, as well as Cambridge Board. Here I continue with my video this week. I have been doing a couple of videos on for IGCSE Maths in the previous weeks relating to simple probability. Okay, so this is a question that I am going to discuss short now for IGCSE Maths Extended on probability. Okay, in this topic, before I forget, please do share and give us a like on Facebook, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, follow us, give us a like, keep us alive on, on this link on the website so that we can continue to feel motivated to do more and more of these videos for you guys. All right. I hope in the meantime that you all are staying home, staying safe, following social distance and wearing your mask, please. Okay. Okay. In this chapter, in this particular problem, this short video, I'd like to talk about tree diagrams. Tree diagrams are like a pictorial form where you can outline and show all the various outcomes in simple picture form. I like this idea of tree diagram. You do need to practice a little bit, okay? So it's basically like a picture form showing all the possible outcomes. Very easy to see in your mind once you can see a picture. So I like that very much. So here I will choose a very simple problem. I'll say that, well, I use, let's say, Mr. T. Mr. T, simple example, plays tennis. Now, people, whether you're young or old, everyone can play tennis, okay? So let's say Mr. T plays tennis in a game, in a tournament, all right? And the chances, the probability of a win in the first match is half. Probability of a win in the second match is 2/3. So the probability of winning in the second match is not related to the first, okay? Stands by itself. So draw a tree diagram. What is it? Show me, draw a tree diagram to show possible combinations. So the possible combinations will be okay. So they're asking you for the possible combinations, and also the second part of the question, they asked find the probability that Mr. T wins both matches. Okay, then find the probability that Mr. T wins both matches. Now, people, very quickly, when you play a tennis game and there are two matches, there are only 4 possible combinations, right? You either win first match, win second match. You win first match, lose second match. Let's assume W is win lah, and L is lose. Or you could lose the first match, win the second, or you could lose and lose both. Okay. So all this probability will add up to 1. Okay. So now the beauty of a tree diagram is to draw it out. Draw it out. So this is the first match, first game. So win, and W is win. W denotes win, and L. So given that the probability of winning in the first match is half, in the same first match, therefore the probability of losing is also half. After all, half plus half is 1. Now in the second game, again you have the probability of winning or losing. So it's again is half and it's half. Sorry, my bad. The probability of winning in the second game is 2/3. My bad, 2/3. So the probability of losing in the second match is 1/3. Okay, same thing. If you lose in the first game, in the second game you can either win or you can lose. Again, probability of winning just in the second game is 2/3. Probability of losing in the second game is 1/3. So now you can see the outcomes. Outcomes, quite simple. You can win, 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 win. You can win, lose. You can lose, win, or you can lose, lose. In fact, the probability of winning both matches is therefore half times 2/3, which is 1/3. Hence the answer here. Probably of winning both. Hang on. Let me rub it so that I just answer. Okay. So probability of winning both matches, the win is therefore 1/3. Can you see? Win times win. Probably of winning first half, probably of winning second is 2/3. Probably of winning and losing will be half times 1/3. Why? A win and a lose will go this way. Okay, hence the probability is 1/6. The probability of losing and winning will go this way, which is half times 2/3. Again, it is 1/3. Now, probability of losing will be half times 1/3, which is 1/6. Now, if you look carefully, let's use a different color. Let's say black. The total probabilities will be 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1/3 plus 1/6, which is 6/6, which is 1. 1 expressed as a probability as a fraction is 1/1. 1 means 100% all the combinations are covered. 1 is also same as 100%. Okay? Hence, all the possible combinations, this will be the picture that you use. What's the probability? All the combinations come together, add together, will always give you a probability of 1, which is same as 1%. Okay? So people, in this short video, I hope it helps you. Very simple explanation of tree diagram. Okay? You can play this video again, and I'll see you next week. Let's see what I want to do the next week. Okay? In the meantime, stay safe, stay home. Please follow the SOPs. Okay? Be safe. Okay? Be safe. Keep your family safe. I'll see you soon. Okay? Do like and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Okay? Check us out at themathscenter.com. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.